But how do you actually use it to save time, boost creativity, and stay ahead in 2025? In this video, I'll show you how to work smarter using 3 powerful tools: ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Notion AI. No tech skills needed, just a few smart prompts. By the end, you'll know how to get started today. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's an AI assistant that can write, explain, and brainstorm anything, instantly. Here's what it can do for you. Summarize long articles or emails so you don't have to read everything. Generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, or captions with a few simple instructions. Answer questions like a personal tutor, helping with coding, job interview prep, or even language learning. Help you plan your day or create meal plans. It's like a smart assistant in your pocket. Example: I recently asked ChatGPT to write a 500-word blog post on productivity hacks, and got a ready-to-publish draft in under 30 seconds. Imagine how much time that saves. Pro tip: use clear, specific prompts like, write a casual blog post about time management for freelancers. This gets better results than vague questions. Next, let's talk about visuals, and that's where Midjourney comes in. Midjourney is an AI image generator that turns text prompts into stunning artwork. For example, type, futuristic city at sunset, ultra-realistic, 4K, and Midjourney creates an amazing image you can use as a thumbnail or social post. You can use Midjourney to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. Create concept art for your projects. Make custom social media posts tailored to your brand. It runs on Discord, and while it might sound complicated, once you try it, you'll find it's quite straightforward. FAQ: do I need design skills? No. Just type what you want to see, and the AI does the rest. Now let's organize everything with Notion AI. Think of Notion as your digital workspace where you keep notes, tasks, and projects, but with AI to speed things up. Notion AI can summarize your meeting notes so you can focus on what matters. Turn your brainstormed ideas into clear action plans. Help you write emails or reports faster. Example: I use Notion AI to draft content outlines. I write bullet points, and it expands them into full paragraphs, saving me hours every week. Tip: try using Notion AI to keep track of your AI tools and prompts. It's like building your own AI playbook. Want to level up? Combine all 3 tools. Use ChatGPT to plan your ideas and write scripts. Use Midjourney to create matching visuals. Use Notion AI to organize and execute your projects. This workflow lets you work faster, smarter, and more creatively, all without burnout. If this helped you, hit the like button to help more people discover it. Subscribe for more tutorials on how to use AI to build, create, and grow. Got questions or want a deep dive on one of these tools? Drop a comment below.